Fascinating facts about hurricanes, nature's most powerful storms. Hurricanes are powerful tropical storms with winds exceeding 74 miles per hour, causing widespread destruction. They form over warm ocean waters, fueled by moisture and heat, creating intense low-pressure systems. The Saffir-Simpson scale categorizes hurricanes from 1 to 5 based on wind speed and potential damage. Typically, hurricanes occur in tropical regions, especially in the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. Hurricanes can devastate communities, causing flooding, wind damage, and long-term